Yeah man, big up on yourself. Please continue to support. Alright? So today I'm just giving you some insights on what happened and set. Stay tuned. I wanna name another day in the sun. Yeah man, you know we have to use the umbrella for cover the gimbal and for cover the phone. Cause you know we can't make it run hot while we are at work. You know we have other challenges as well other than the sun. We have to consider the traffic. Yeah, the bus and the truck them and all of that we are past. Red carpet settings, you know. Yeah man, big up Cornelius. Roku there.
Another that you have to talk about the phone where you use. Talk about that. Talk about the fact that 2 months ago I see you with an iPhone 8, right? And now you have a 13 Pro Max. Help me to understand why me still stuck at 11, what keeping in my life.
You ask me why I'm stuck at 11 and I him stop count.
Now man, look, I need to come back in a bartender. Eh? Sparta them. We don't know the whole dance expressions. Really is there. When they are a little movie premiere, it is a very big deal and a good Friday and it's a good vibes. You know what I mean? Yes man, Sparta big up yourself, the whole dance expression, Harvey and Shelly. You don't know. Everybody.
Then are Europe side.
Them they are Europe and go on do them thing and go on. You see? Belly foot. Yo, I have the belly foot. Pants straight and now, me have the belly foot. You know, man has a respect. Yes, man, brother, yeah, man. Sparta, you chain boss. I like that phone, I make a wonderful.
See up on the go. Omega was also there. The whole team outside clean.
What is it? Zoom in for that. Oh, that clean boss.
Making sure that everything up and running for Shepherd's interview. So you don't know, you have to set the light and hold the light if it have to be at a specific point. Yeah, you know the space small, but to make it work. So Sunday night lime, you know we have to leave out before dinner time, so when we reach, dinner have to get consumed. Yeah man, that's why Shana brush for your one. We decided to link up with Shepherd on the job to see if we can fix our pipe too, you know.
Yes. And her medicine has to be fed to her through a syringe.
Okay.
But I'm not sure if it's in my
Without the needle?
So I'm just going to check. Yes, without the needle.
Just checking.
I'm not sure if it's in my bag. I am going to check.
For security purposes, this was not a part of the plan.
We were going to fake it.
Yes, to make it. But
But this you need to have a needle in our bag. Who does that?
I can see her now. You know how long I've been with you. And we can make certain that you feel for me. I always wanted to know what it felt like to juke someone.
So, what do you feel when you have to go to an index?
Feel good?
You feel good?
Oh, you like juking, man?
You just and that's it?
Done.
No sex.
No, you have to make it
I'm gonna get through my
Alright, so Chrissy, I do not have it.
Alright,
So what I
God.
do have.
So she have something else.
Yeah, no, make sure she show this after, man. Make sure she show this man.
Come here.
So yeah, I did for.
Yeah, I have not.
In time you get to just show me.
Yeah, I need.
What it is yours? Conceal.
Yeah, go on, Rick. Come on, tight up. This.
Oh, this.
You know what I'm saying?
No, me a mechanical.
Jesus. Check that contract they may have insurance policy.
What school did you go to?
Mergrove.
Oh, that explains it.
So she's not create an eagle. She put it in a Tonian here. Because Tonian I'm going to use it.
Only problem is when
Okay.
she be able to find it when she's ready for it.
See, she has search sheet.
That's certain that if you have to say, alright, hold on, give me a
No,
minute.
no, it's hang on.
Hold on.
Give me a minute.
So just a second. This is supposed to be a surprise, but okay.
Yeah.